Welcome to ExpertEase AI. In this demo video, I'll show you how we create a voice AI agent using a customer support triage and ticket management workflow. So first, we start off with voice AI agent creation. We go to the voice agent section and create a new voice agent. We type in the name that we want to give our agent. In this case, because I want to connect it to Zoho CRM, I'll name my agent Zoho Workflow. Next, we choose the agent role and configuration. We select customer support as the role. Here, we can also configure the input language, privacy settings, speaking speed, time zone, tune the model, and other advanced options. After that, it takes us to the workflow dashboard. From here, we select the workflow tab. Inside the workflow section, you can see several workflow templates. In this video, I want to show the customer support triage and ticket management workflow. This agent will handle all incoming support requests 24/7. It can answer common questions from the knowledge base, create and categorize tickets automatically, and route complex issues to the proper specialist. Let's look at the route flow. First, the agent greets the customer, identifies them, verifies their identity, and retrieves account information. Next, the agent understands the customer's issue and attempts to resolve it using the knowledge base. If the issue is resolved, the call simply ends. Otherwise, the agent gathers additional information to create a support ticket in Zoho Desk. If the issue cannot be resolved automatically, the agent gathers ticket information, creates a ticket in Zoho Desk, and offers to transfer the call to a support agent. If the customer requests a transfer, the call is routed to a real human support agent. Now we edit the copied template. By clicking the edit icon, we can see the full workflow diagram. The flow includes initial greeting, customer verification, understanding the issue, and attempting self-service. If the issue is not resolved, the workflow moves to gathering ticket information and offering a transfer. The green nodes represent function steps that require configuration. To enable call transfers, we configure the transfer to agent step. First, we need to purchase and assign a phone number. Once the phone number is assigned to this port, we select which number will be used to transfer the call to a real human agent. When you click on any node, another sidebar pops up showing node information details. Under bot instructions, you can choose to edit and make sure it follows your requirements. Next, we configure ticket creation. To do this, we go to the Integrations tab and connect Zoho CRM. Under Managed Integrations, we select Zoho CRM and make sure all required permissions are enabled, especially ticket creation. Once this is done, the Create Ticket function becomes active. After everything is configured, we save the workflow and attach it to our voice AI agent. Now the agent is fully ready to receive calls, manage support requests, and create tickets automatically. Now we can initiate live calls, request a customer support ticket, and see the entire workflow in action, including real-time ticket creation in Zoho Desk. Thanks for watching. Integrate ExpertEase AI today for a seamless customer support workflow.